All right, bro, let's see this thing on, man. Oh, we rolling. Hey, psst, guess what, shawty? We back. Today we got another shoe review after a long wait, bro. It's been probably like, it's been a few months. I don't know exactly how long, but it's been a few months, bro. But guess what? We back in the building, so let's get it, bro. If you look behind me, you can see I done switched up my sneakers a lot, man. This ain't even the same room, if I'm being honest with y'all. But I thought I should switch it up, and it give me a more creative feel when I'm in this room that I'm in. So I went ahead and switched it up for y'all, man. I hope y'all enjoy it. I'm gonna get y'all some B-rolls of it so I can see exactly how it looks, because I think it came out amazing the way I set this up, man. But y'all let me know down in the comments if y'all like it. But that ain't what we here for today. Now, I do want y'all to see that stuff, man, but we here to review some kicks, bro. So let's go ahead and jump into this review. So as y'all can see from the thumbnail, man, we're gonna be reviewing the Air Jordan 4 Retro Red Thunder. This shoe is pretty dope, man. It dropped Martin Luther King Day weekend. Guess what? Your boy got on sneakers out, and I was like, I ain't finna get these kicks, man. But your boy struck on 2 pairs of them things, man. I got a pair for me, and I got a pair for my daughter, man. And if y'all know anything about how I move now, I don't get anything for me if my daughter can't have the same thing too, bro. So I had to get both pairs, man. Even if I would've struck out on hers and I would've got mine, I would've just paid resale for hers and retail for mine, or vice versa, bro. I don't know what was gonna happen, but I did get both for retail, so I ain't even stunting it, bro. I mean, bro, I got 2 pairs of Jordans for $270. I mean, yeah, one was a kid's shoe, but still, I got 2 pairs for $270, bro. It's a lot of them that's going for $300 and $400 right now. So I ordered my pair on the 15th. Also, hers got ordered on the 15th. I struck on both of them at the same time. Hers came in about 4 days, but we had a snowstorm over here in North Carolina, so mine ended up coming in like a week and a half later or something like that, man. Or a week and a half after I ordered them, I should say. Let me clear that up. But I mean, yeah, man, it ain't take long for either pair to ship. So, I mean, it is what it is, man. I ain't tripping. I have them now, so what is there to trip about? I wish it would've took a little bit longer. I probably could've got some free sneakers, but you know, we ain't even gonna go there, bro. Nike, you ain't hear that. I'm not even gonna lie. Y'all should have seen me when I hit on both of them, bro. I'm talking about, your boy was in the room doing dances, all type of stuff, bro. I was going crazy. I ain't gonna lie, bro, I was happy, but I kind of low-key was more happy for my daughter, man, because y'all seen her reaction, bro. She absolutely loves shoes. I think I done opened up a can of worms, because you know how that go. I'm gonna be buying her everything now, bro. Like, she gonna be in the kicks just like I am, so I know that's gonna cost a lot of money, bro. But it is what it is, man, as long as she enjoy them. We're gonna go ahead and open up these boxes, man. I got hers and I got mine right here, so let me go ahead and back up a little bit so y'all can see these shoes, man. Let y'all go ahead and get a visual of the outsole. That's pretty clean right there, man. And then, whew, look at that right there, man. I'm loving that red that's on there, man. It kind of reminds me of like the crimson red. But yeah, man, these are clean. I'm liking the netting on the side of them. The contrast between the red and the black, I always love that, man. Tongue's a little plush. I like that it's got like a little separation between the two right here. And then got a white Jumpman on the tongue, as well as that white Jumpman on the back. So I did get these in a size 9. These are my size. I do not plan on selling these, obviously, because I got them for me and my baby girl. But without further ado, let me go ahead and show y'all hers real quick, man. So these got a little bit of difference in them, man. They still got a white Jumpman on the back, white Jumpman on the tongue. They got the red behind the netting right here. Outsole is the same colors. Midsole is the same colors. Her red on hers looks a little bit darker than mine. Maybe that's just like the, I don't know, the color mixing or something that they did with these, but, or you know, with the toddlers and the kids' shoes, maybe. I don't know, man. I really don't know, but I'm seeing a lot more quality control issues on Harley's pair. It's glue all over these. You can see where there's like a little line where they separated the midsole from the actual upper of the shoe. You can see the glue that's on there. I guess they kid shoes, so they don't have the actual little aglets, whatever you want to call these things. They ain't got like the real ones like what mine got, but I mean, they are kid shoes, so I can't trip too much about that. can't expect a toddler shoe to have everything that a grown man shoe got, I guess. But yeah, man, I think she'll love them. They'll look good on feet for her. She actually looks good in fours. I haven't got y'all any pictures of her rocking fours yet, but obviously they on the way. I'm gonna show y'all. But yeah, man, I'm digging these, bro. Go ahead and get y'all a side by side of these two shoes, man. They do not look bad, man. Like, at first, I ain't gonna lie, bro, I was skeptical. I was like, bro, these look like some Crab Kings. If you're from Augusta, you know what Crab Kings are, bro. But yeah, I was like, bro, these look like some Crab Kings. These are knockoffs, bro. You look like these supposed to be sold at a gas station or something like that. But I mean, once I got them in hand, bro, these actually don't look bad. Like, for real, they actually look good, man. I'm impressed with them. I think that the color scheme, I mean, they took it from the regular Thunders, I guess, you know, with the yellow and the black, but I think the red just ties in because, you know, with Jordan, you know, Chicago, any red and black shoe that he had, man, it's hard to mess it up. It's hard to mess it up, especially when you throw suede on that thing, man. It's real hard to mess suede up, man, for real. One of my favorite things about Jordan 4s is that they do have that nubuck suede on them, man. I love that. It's just so crispy, man. And if y'all go watch my, oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, I got a TikTok now. But yeah, if y'all go watch my TikTok, y'all will see that my very first shoe that really like got me into collecting retros was the Jordan 4 Bread. So these got a special place in my heart, bro. Jordan 4s got a special place in my heart, I should say. And I'm impressed with these, man. I like them. I can't wait to throw these on feet, bro. All right, y'all, before I do so, I just want to thank y'all from the bottom of my heart for sticking with me, man. Thank y'all for subscribing. Thank y'all for the likes. Thank y'all for the comments. Thank y'all for the shares, the views, everything, man. I know I stepped away from this for quite a bit of time. All the people that didn't give up on me, all the people that encouraged me to stick with this, man, thank y'all for real. I feel like I ain't said this in a minute, man, but it's gonna feel good to say it. Thank y'all for tuning in today, man. This has been Thrax Kicks, and I'm out.